Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you or explain to you how to fix JBL earbuds one side is not working. Now first is partial insertion of earbud. Place the earbud in the charging case but only partially, so it's not fully seated in the charging port. This might cause the charging contacts to align briefly, creating a temporary connection. Watch for the light. Observe the earbud's indicator light. When it lights up, it means there is a brief moment of proper contact and the earbud is receiving power. Third is quick connection. As soon as you see the light, quickly try to connect the earbud to your device via Bluetooth. This momentary power connection might be enough for the earbud to become discoverable and connectable. Lastly is for trial and error. It may take a few attempts to get to the timing right, but be patient and repeat the process until the earbud stays connected. And that's basically it.